Quality at the start ensures reliable performance.
Precision components are essential for reliable operation. Automated logging guarantees traceability. Polished housings prevent friction and heat buildup. Smooth surfaces increase durability and efficiency.
Proper assembly ensures long-term efficiency.
Efficient cooling is essential. Every fan and plate is checked to maintain consistent airflow.
Every bolt counts. Automation guarantees the right components reach the right assembly points. Steel and aluminum housings move into CNC machining centers. Cutting tools rotate at high speeds, sculpting precise mounting holes and air channels.
Cylinder bores are honed using precision grinding machines, producing ultra-smooth internal surfaces. Smooth cylinder walls reduce friction and wear.
Valve plates and piston components are deburred and polished, eliminating sharp edges. Polished valves reduce friction and extend component life.
All raw components stand ready in synchronized feeding systems as conveyors begin to activate. Cooling fans and heat exchanger plates are deburred and brushed for uniform surface finish. Uniform surfaces enhance airflow efficiency.
Early testing prevents failures during final assembly.
Automated precision ensures every rotor aligns perfectly. Misalignment could compromise motor efficiency. Pre-assembly is complete. Every component is ready for full integration and testing in the next phase.
Transcription. This stage brings the heart of the compressor together. Perfect alignment is critical for efficient operation.
Heat exchanger plates and air cooling fins are integrated along the cylinder housing for optimal airflow. Lubrication systems are installed, including oil reservoirs and delivery channels feeding into moving components. Transcription. Sealing gaskets and O-rings are carefully placed around cylinder heads and motor housings.
Automated inspection ensures each compressor meets exacting standards. Only perfect units proceed to testing.
Transcription. Assembly is complete. Each compressor is now ready for rigorous operational testing.
From answer at transcription. From raw materials to a fully integrated unit, precision and coordination define
Every compressor undergoes rigorous functional testing. Accurate pressure output is essential for safe operation.
Electrical integrity is verified. Motors must perform consistently under varying loads. Leak prevention is critical. Even the smallest imperfection could compromise compressor efficiency. Vibration tests ensure structural integrity. Quiet, stable operation is essential for industrial and home use. Temperature control prevents overheating. Reliable thermal management extends compressor life. Continuous monitoring allows instant detection of anomalies. Data-driven insights guarantee consistency.
Endurance tests simulate long-term usage. Units must maintain performance after thousands of cycles.
External inspections ensure cosmetic quality. A flawless finish complements mechanical precision.
Accurate airflow is critical for operational efficiency. Each unit must meet strict standards.
Safety systems protect users and machinery. Every compressor is validated for secure operation. Safety systems protect users and machinery. Every compressor is validated for secure operation.
Only units passing every test proceed. Automation ensures precision and reliability at scale. Functional testing guarantees each compressor is ready for industrial and commercial use. Only perfection moves forward. Filters remove dust and debris from the airstream. Correct installation guarantees optimal performance and reduced maintenance. Vibration isolators enhance operational stability. Every detail reduces noise and improves user comfort.
Durable coatings protect against rust and wear. A consistent finish reflects industrial precision and quality.
Polished surfaces improve airflow and heat dissipation. Every enhancement contributes to reliable operation. Clear labeling ensures traceability and user safety. Precision printing maintains uniformity across every unit. Interface elements are tested for responsiveness. Proper installation ensures intuitive operation.
Protective components prevent damage during transport. Every compressor leaves the factory fully safeguarded.
Sealing lubrication points prevents leaks. Careful handling maintains cleanliness and efficiency.
Final testing confirms operational efficiency. Only compressors meeting strict standards proceed to packaging.
Bearings and seals are lubricated and inspected for proper fit, automatically feeding into assembly trays.
Content transcription. This stage brings the heart of the compressor together. Perfect alignment is critical for efficient operation.
Compressors are prepared for shipment. Careful staging prevents damage and ensures efficient workflow.
Protective wrapping shields units from dust, moisture, and scratches during transit.
Correct installation ensures safe operation. Every connection is verified for integrity. Power-up confirms electrical connections and system readiness. Initial operation is carefully monitored.
Leveling reduces vibration and noise. Stable positioning enhances reliability and lifespan.
Pressure calibration ensures efficiency. Smooth airflow confirms precise assembly.
Demonstration validates performance. Compressors deliver consistent power for demanding applications.
Heat distribution is monitored for safety. Efficient cooling ensures durability during prolonged use. Vibration analysis confirms balanced motors. Stable operation prevents premature wear.
Integration testing ensures seamless operation within industrial systems. Every unit is ready for real-world applications. Real-time monitoring confirms every compressor meets factory specifications. Precision and performance are guaranteed.
Installation is complete. From factory to worksite, every compressor is a testament to precision engineering, ready to power industry worldwide.
Padding absorbs shocks during shipping. Each compressor is cocooned in protection for global transport. Boxes are carefully packed to prevent shifting. Automation guarantees consistency and safety. Sealing ensures boxes remain intact throughout the logistics chain. Precision prevents damage and loss.
From assembly to storage, every detail is optimized.
Compressors are prepared for a seamless journey to customers worldwide.